Hello guys, I Sandeep like with you all. Today I will make you understand about the Boyle's law. So, what is Boyle's law? The relation between the pressure and volume of a fixed amount of gas at constant temperature was given by Robert Boyle. The full name is Robert Boyle, a British scientist. What is known as the Boyle's law. It states that at a constant temperature, the pressure of the given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. It is the explanation. So wait, I will explain all these. No problem. At a constant temperature, H1 by H2 is equal to D2, depth by D1 is equal to PV constant. So you can see this picture. This picture. This is the wet one, wet 2. Wet 2. This is the volume 2. This is the volume 1. And this is the and P is the pressure. So the P1 atmospheric pressure. So find the P1 atmospheric pressure plus the pressure due to weight. Now from this P1 is equal to PA plus weight by the A. If the height of the piston is H1, then the initial volume V1 of the gas is H1 into A. So the product of P1 V1 is equal to P1 V1 is equal to PA plus W1 weight by the A. That means into H1 into A. So the similarly placed on the piston, this piston 2, this piston 1, this is the piston 1 and this is the piston 2. So there will be no confusion. W2 weight 2 by A plus PA, product of P2 V2 is equal to, this is similarly like this it will also help, W2 by A plus PA into the H2, this is the H1 into A, H2 into A, PA plus PA, it is inversely, okay, no problem, W2 by A, PA. So that is P1 V1 is equal to the P2 V2. The piston 1 volume is equal to the piston 2 volume. So similarly, by considering the values of the products of piston 1 volume and piston 2 volume, it can be proved experimentally that both values are equal. So these are the total Boyle's law. So now I will tell you an example. I will make you understand by an example. Let the pressure is equal to 22 point pressure at the gas volume 22.4 liter and the atmospheric the pressure 3 atm. Then find the pressure of the volume, then find the pressure of the gas of volume 44.8 liter at the same temperature. This is the same temperature it will be, this 3 atm at the same temperature. So according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, okay, 3 into 22.4 is equal to X into 44.8, where X is the new pressure of the gas. So X is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 atm. So it is the problem. Second example, it is the example 1, it is the 2. The pressure of the gas is double keeping in temperature constant. Find the ratio of the final volume of the gas to its initial volume. It is the question. So according to the Boyle's law, P2 is equal to P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, V2 by V1 is equal to 1 by 2, ratio 1:2. So it is the Boyle's law. There not will be the confusion. There will be no any confusion. So please like, comment and subscribe my video. So please like कर दो, like करना फ्री होता है, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर दो. So bye bye. I will come again with the next video.